ole he video chuan birthday party lampang I thian pa kal itum le tum lo khatiang hanin zo na vel and discuss na vel mo an soi ho na vel kha en how to mila video hian enge hote angalang riat bel te lo nei takin a conversation ang hian karon da in biak nang hian kan tangkai pui lawa a ho kan ti deuh chuan comments lama te po kan soyanga chutiang jok chon rong kal pui ro tiang te po ma se ala thazel ani chuan comments lama hang kan in ril redon ni o lo clear hawang ole he conversation hi thiante ne na in biak na ni ma sela ma ni na man vek theya nang ma chunga tla vek ang khan in ngai tu ila tiang chun riat ol samang ole hi Dave zan in Lyra birthday party na ikal donem kalitumem ti kha zot tua hi Dave are you going to Lyra birthday party tonight hi Dave are you going to Lyra birthday party tonight hi Dave zan in a Lyra birthday party na kalitumem ti nani chuan zan in alo ti khan saidu ta is that tonight zan in mo zan in alo ti nani o zan in ni e ikal thei do nem ti kha in short tua yes can you go ikal thei do nem ti na kha ani chuan ikal thei tur thu le exam na te wanga I buai thu te I lo thei ngil min thakani ti te kha in hril dua yes I have been so busy with school exam I completely forgot yes I have been so busy with school exams I completely forgot school exam a kalau buai lut tu ka kalau thei ngil thakalom le kalau thei ngil thakalom le ti na kha ani chutiang anga thei ngil thak ani chuan a hun te mo a timing te eng huna nge ti te I hriat zo ka wang khan hril kha I lo dua 7 pm a party tran ani don come and celebrate birthday party khadar sari tran turani ti kha I lo hril dua the party is at 7 o'clock mo the party is at 7 pm zandar sari atran turani a hun kha I hril hretani chuan I thil thei ngil thak te mo kan thil thei ngil thak te min lo hril chuan kan lom thina min han ron remind le te kha kan lom thin min ron hril hrele te kha kan lom thina chuan ole min han hril hrele chu kalom hle mai darli a hian test tur pakhat kalaneya entirnan I exam a wangai buai thua mai ni soito khamo khami test tur te ineya amo darli a thil ti tur inei ang te I buai sia kha I han soidu ta ni tuna ka soyang khan okay thanks for reminding me I have another test at 4 pm okay thanks for reminding me I have one more test at 4 pm 4 o'clock 5 pm eng po ni se a hun entirnan I have one more exam mo test lo po khatiang po eng po lo ni se buaina dang inei thu kha I hril theya heta ka lo soi ang khan ole min han hril ria chu kalom hle mai dar saria test tang po kalaneya tina kha ani okay thanks for reminding me I have one more test at 4 pm ti le mai tur ni thil pek present thil thon pek gift mo khami kha alei to le to lo te in short tua thil pek tur hi lei to em in ti dua did you buy a gift thil pek tur lei to em ti na kha ani chu po chu kalau thei hil dialom kalau thei hil min thakalom nge ka ken sakanga enge tra a irin min han thati deu te nem ti kha in short tua I forgot that too what should I get her do you have any suggestions I forgot that too what should I get her do you have any suggestions mo chu po chu kalau thei ngil dai I forgot that too mo po chu po chu kalau thei ngil dai enge ka ken sakang what should I get her mo enge ka ken sakang gift ta kan thil pe ka tan khan I present tu ka do you have any suggestions enge try rin min han suggest du te in ayem ti na kha ani chuan thom nolamte makeup lamte mei chian I chon angai na thina ni ti kha in ril redua entirna mi pa po lo ni se thil ngai nat ang khamo she likes clothes and makeup she likes clothes and makeup mo mei che chung chang kan sei wang khan she mi pa ni chon he likes ti le mai tur he likes she likes adua angai na clothes thom no mo in makeup mai che na angvel khatiang kha angai na ina du lutuk thom no nen ti na kha ani chutia athil ngai nat a hril to nu che chuan enge hei birthday thian te kan pek don chun enge kan thian te nan lei sak mo I thian nu khan enge thian pa a pek tur kha lei sak bik ti te kha kan lo hrele du thin ta ni chuan enge I lei saka mo enge I lei sak atan chun enge lei sak ti kha kan lo sot le du ta what did you buy her mo what did you buy her enge I lei saka atan chon enge I leya ti kha khami tang khan enge ngai tu na te kan lo senga chumi chu leila thra ti te kha kan ngai tu chuak ve thina chu wang chuan what did you buy her ti le mai tur ni chuan ithil leite kha in rila mei che chanchin kan soya entirnan makeup le thom no te ngai na ti tu kha in ril ta an lo ril ta che mo in biak na conversation ni wang khan mani a senglu kan se kei mani ang kanin chana kan soya ni kha lipstick sen le thom no ka lei saka ka ken saka ti kha in sei le du ta ni I got her red lipsticks and clothes mo I got her a red lipstick and clothes lipstick sen le thom no ka ken sak ka lei sak atan ka ken sak I got her ti chuan ka dong got chu get past ten ani kha ka dong hey get le get ti te po hi soi tur hi tam lu to ka get I got her ti chon kalau dong to kalau le to I buy her I bought her ti nen khanin angreng mo atana I lo lei sak to ka hey antiana conversation a chuan all sam takin I got her a red lipstick mo I bought her a red lipstick ti nen khan buy past tense bought tiang chiat khan mo get past tense kha got ania I got her a red lipstick and clothes mo thom no le lipstick sen kha ka lei sak to ti kha in shilani chutianga thil ila lei sak velo awang khan mo bazar na huni nei lo thu I buai em thu te kha in shil duwa bazar na hun po ka nei si lawa khain ti du ta I don't have time to go shopping mo I don't have time to go shopping ti chu bazar avakal khane maya I go to bazar akakal ti ai chon I go shopping mo shopping chu thil leya khatia kal ka tun lion manglara bazar na hun po ka nei si lawa I don't have time to go shopping mo ti khana chiangang chutiang anga I thian kha abuya bazar na hun po nei lo ti riat chuan inga tinge gift card mo khami birthday card kha ipek mai lawang achunga poisa da in chuan adu du amana lei to mai don lom ti kha in soidua in ril redua ipuidu hani chu ti hian I soile theyang why don't you just get her a gift card then she can buy what she wants why don't you just get a gift card then she can buy what she wants inga tinge gift card iken sak mai lawang chuan adu tak hamana du tak alei mai don lom ti na kha ani chuti chuan a idea kha a tha iti thu te kha i han soi dua i han zot dua ai a tha ai ti thu te kha i han hril du ni chumo i ngai dan chu tha hle mai ngai dan tha tak ani thu dang dei eng ti nge hi pian cham kha hi birthday kha ka thei ngil lo nan tu na min hril chon ka thei ngil lo nan ka lo thei ngil le takin ti kha in zot dua ti hi ani soi le te thei ani that's a good idea ngai dan tha tak ani by the way eng po chu ni se thu dang ala in when is your birthday when eng huna nge eng tik nge mo hun soina eng tik nge I birthday I pian cham so I don't forget chuan ka thei ngil lawanga min hril chuan mo eng tik nge birthday that's a good idea by the way when is your birthday so I don't forget ngai dan tha tak ani thu dang ala in eng tik nge I pian cham kha ka thei ngil lo nan ti in sort le ta ni ole nui sang chungin I birthday kha chu enge in rin ni nung ber khamo last Saturday kha alo ni to a in rin ni nung ber kha ni ti in isil dua it was last Sunday mo Saturday ni lo pon Sunday kami Sunday nung ber kha Saturday nung ber kha rin ni nung ber kha ti na ani chuan oh my god I'm so sorry I forgot yours too I'm a bad friend oh my god I'm so sorry oh my god ap lalpa le mo I'm so sorry apoi ka ti hle mai I forgot yours too nang ma po hi birthday po years kan ti chuan ama khamo I forgot heta forget kan manga forget past tense chu forgot lo thei ngil to awangin I forgot years too nang ma po ka lo thei ngil to ani chu nang po ka lo thei ngil de rani chu mo I am a bad friend thian thalo tak kani ti in thlarung takhan soina ani ole chuan nilawe thian buai thei takini ti kha fiam thuin in sei dua thian kara in thlarun na awm ngai lo kha tiro no you're just a busy friend no you are just a busy friend ai nilawe thian buai takini ti na kha ani ole tikhan conversation hey athui theilu tuka hetiang anga hanti hian tikhan chuanin kan du tok le anga